If you second guess yourself during compiler design exams, this video is for you. We have 10 tricky multiple choice questions on your screen. I am not going to read them out loud. Instead, I will give you the mental shortcuts to cross out the wrong options, especially for context-free grammars and LL1 parsing. The answers are at the very end. Let's see how many you get right. BNF is just a notation, like handwriting. The question asks for the actual mathematical structure behind it. Separate the notation from the concept, and you will eliminate 4 options instantly. This is phase 1 of compilation. It does not understand grammar, and it definitely does not execute code. Eliminate any option that sounds like high-level execution. Do not overthink the terminology here. A derivation is a multi-step process. A sentential form is simply a single snapshot taken during that process. Use what you learned in question 2. The tokenizer already handled the characters. So, if an option here mentions characters, it is a trap. Focus purely on what builds the structural hierarchy. Think about the purpose of a first set. It exists to tell a parser which path to take when it hits a specific type of symbol. Match the set to the symbol type it guides. Without empty strings epsilon, this is purely a combinatorial limit. You are calculating how many times symbols can interact across the grammar. Look for a mathematical product. Read the acronym like a cheat code. The first letter is the scan direction. The second letter is the derivation direction. Match the 2L to the options. Take a moment to read through these 7 statements. As you look at them, just keep one simple fact in your mind. Left factoring is only used to remove common prefixes. That is it. Now look at the combinations below. Just ask yourself, did any of those statements actually match that definition? Or were they trying to trick you by mixing it up with something completely different, like left recursion? Choose carefully. For this one, just think of the acronyms as a direct code. The first letter always tells you the scan direction, which is left to right. The second letter tells you the type of derivation. Just match that second letter to the word you see on the screen. When a question asks for the maximum limit of a set, you have to look at the boundaries of the grammar. Since the question clearly states that empty strings called epsilon are not allowed, the absolute maximum size of the set is simply limited by the total pool of building blocks available in that grammar. Let us see how you did. Number 1 is C, number 2 is A, number 3 is A, number 4 is C, and number 5 is A. And here are the final 5. Number 6 is B, number 7 is A, number 8 is C, number 9 is B, and number 10 is C. How many did you get right? If you want to pass your exams using pure logic instead of memorizing textbooks, hit that subscribe button. Which of these 10 concepts tricked you the most? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. To keep testing your memory, search this exact phrase in the YouTube search bar. Compiler Design MCQS Nutan Education.